think I saw on your Instagram story, you had the 4 priorities in terms of
Yep.
the areas of your life. I think the first one was health,
Yep.
second one was
Family.
third was what was it,
Business.
and then fourth was charity.
Charity,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, so that's amazing how you've got the priorities there, and then it's like what you said about visualization in each
Yeah.
of those areas. So
Yeah, I'm extremely clear and diligent on where those 4 areas play in my life. I'm under no illusion that I can't do any of this without having a healthy body. I'm no good to my family, the business staff, without health. After that, my family is more important than my business. And for a lot of entrepreneurs, that isn't the case.
yeah, you focus just on the business.
Yeah, and that's cool for them. What drives me is doing all this for my family. So I'm very clear in those 4. What's interesting is that it doesn't mean things won't change. When I was younger, I didn't have a family. Family wasn't that important, right? Of course, I had parents and brothers and sisters, but I didn't have kids and a wife. So your hierarchy of the things that are most important to you will evolve. So much so, charity a year ago was not even on my radar. It was just not important. I understood the benefits of charity, but I thought when I get old and when things are taken care of, I'll start to give back and do some things. That has completely changed. And in the last 12 months, I've been putting a huge focus on putting resources, money, time, and attention in areas where people aren't providing value. So I'm really passionate about charity, and we're doing some great stuff with SR now. In 2020, $1 from every ticket globally will go to certain funds and charitable organizations where 100% of, not the proceeds, 100% of the money will go to help different causes and different things. So we're really proud of that. And for me, is an example of that 4th one right now, charity, can evolve, and your hierarchy and the things that are most important to you can evolve over time.